kind of research went into, what kind of customer feedback you got so that this product is finally launched?
It's a good question. See, actually, as a process of the product development, which my colleague Girish is heading, we listen to the voice of customers. See, we have several touch points and we actively engage with customers, one at the point of purchase, how he behaves and what kind of questions they're asking. And also we have a research engagement activities where we seek out to the customer and ask them on a periodical basis what is expected from an air conditioner, what are their priorities or what is the most important aspect they want from an air conditioner and what more we can add it. So it's a plus also our sales team, our service team gives regular feedback from consumers. For example, they will attend a service call and customer may be asking, for example, they will say we don't want the light or the illuminated display on an air conditioner. It is irritating during night. So we have provided us an option which will switch it off. Like that we get feedbacks and we develop it. Girish can add to it.
So we understand the pain points of the consumer. हम समझते हैं कि उनके क्या तकलीफें हैं, and then we launch products जो उनकी तकलीफों को solve कर सकें. जैसे हॉट एंड कोल्ड एसी इसके लिए लॉन्च किया है क्योंकि हीटर में विंटर में बहुत हीटर यूज़ करते हैं. हीटर का द क्लाइमेट इज़ नॉट वेरी गुड, इट्स ऑल्सो वेरी हाई एनर्जी एफिशिएंसी, तो वो एनर्जी एफिशिएंट है ही नहीं हीटर. तो उसकी वजह से हमने हॉट एंड कोल्ड एसी लॉन्च किया कि अगर एक 2-in-1 हो जाए कि समर में ठंडा करे और विंटर में गर्म करे. तो वैसे वी लॉन्च दीज प्रोडक्ट्स. हेवी ड्यूटी इज ऑल्सो बिकॉज विद द हाई एम्बिएंट कंडीशंस इट बिकम्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट for the AC to cool, and heavy duty is the technology which can cool you even on those high ambient. जब तापमान भयंकर हो जाता है, बहुत गर्म हो जाता है, तो heavy duty AC ऐसे काम करेगी जैसे आपको immediately ठंडा करे. इसलिए हमारा वैल्यू प्रोपोजिशन है फास्ट कूलिंग AC, क्योंकि ये कंज्यूमर का रिक्वायरमेंट है. तो हम कंज्यूमर के पेन पॉइंट्स समझते हैं, अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं और हमारा पूरा R&D उसी पे फोकस होता है कि हम कंज्यूमर की लाइफ कैसे बेहतर कर सकें.
Yes, absolutely. Yes.
Same product will go same year. Asking what kind of revenue you expect from Northeast with this kind of product?
No, so maybe heavy duty as a technology may not be very relevant for the Northeast, but things like convertible cooling are relevant, where you can control your power savings by controlling your cooling capacity. So your 1.5 ton AC can become 1 ton, can become 1.2 ton, can become 0.8 ton by just pressing a button. So like right now it might be raining and I don't need a 1.5 ton AC, I just press the button twice, it becomes a 1 ton AC.